talk about if the PLAB exam is difficult. Is the PLAB exam difficult? Well, I won't really say the PLAB exam is difficult, or I won't say it is easy per se, because in course of our medical training, we have been exposed to so many exams. I mean, from the first day that you began the training to become a doctor, you have written so many exams, and successfully passing these exams, you've given yourself time, dedication, hard work, and diligent preparation for this exam. So the PLAB exam is not different per se. It's just that the PLAB exam will not rather follow the same pattern of examination that we are all used to in our various medical schools. So the exam is basically about your preparation and your planning. So if you give the exam an adequate amount of time to prepare, I think it should be doable and possible.